Right, guys, welcome back to Team Insane Trading. We're going to look at a trade we took today on AUD/USD, and then we'll show you a break-even trade that sort of took us out the opposite way. So we had two trades today. One was a win, one was a loss, and it sort of broke even. But the reason, I'll show you why we got into the trades and how they played out. And one of them was just a news event that sort of was a catalyst to stopping us out. So this was the first trade we took, and it was on AUD/USD. So we've got our initial balance on our London session, and as you can see, price was sort of respecting the initial balance high. We bounced off it and we took in a trade on the short side. So let's have a look. Here we go. So we got in on this candle here. We set our stop loss just above there, and we came down and we took profit right at the bottom here. So we had a really good, it was around 1 to 2. We had a really good trade on this, and it was going really well, and we took profit. The flip side of this, we had a trade on Euro GBP. We've got a trade going at the moment on there, but we had a trade on Euro GBP, and there was some market news regarding interest rates, and it just went absolutely manic for about 5 minutes, stopped us out, and it was a break-even trade, guys. This trade here, though, on AUD/USD has been quite a good trend day. So price broke below VWAP, the standard bands, and it stayed below pretty much all day. We're just seeing now the break of the trend. I've missed this trade, to be fair. This would have been nice getting back up to VWAP, so it would have been a nice trade. This would have probably netted us a decent amount on that. If we'd put our stop just below here and aim for VWAP, we'd have got a 1 to 2. So that'd have been a really good trade. Didn't see this one, wasn't at the screens, wasn't at my phone, so can't argue with that. But it was would have been a really good trade. We've also got, so the one that we took on Euro GBP, again we saw the same probability trade. We got a really good probability trade here. So price broke below the opening low, and it sort of respected it. It was bouncing off, start to go down. We were down here, and stop loss was somewhere up here, and this big ass candle here come and just fucking took us out. So it really ruined the day for us, that. But we are in a trade at the moment, and we're down here from about here, and we're in this trade. We're just waiting for that to take profit. It's close to take profit at the moment. But this was again a good trade off the initial balance. Price broke the low, respected the low, and then went again. And then as soon as the news come out at dinner time, it really made a mess of things. But price soon got back to what it was doing, came back below the initial balance lows, and has really trended the rest of the day downwards, guys. So two really good trades. Apart from the news catalyst, nobody can foresee what's going to happen with that. But apart from not trading around that time, I was hoping it would have been a positive reaction to the news, but it didn't. It went the other way. So just back to AUD/USD. So the trade that we did win, really good trade. Price respecting the trend line as well. So we got a nice trend line, and then we've just had this break of trend here where we could have got back in and took some price action back up to VWAP. So guys, I've been trading this all week. The initial balance, and I'm using the indicator by Trader Drysdale, so big shout out to him. But yeah, it's a really good indicator. If you've not traded the initial balance, guys. It's so simple, and every day this week's been pretty good, been a win. Apart from that one on the Euro GBP where the news stopped us out, everything else has been absolutely great. Flipped the account, took a £500 account up to £1,000, guys. So that's in 3 days. So there you go. The initial balance does work. Don't forget, I'm no financial advisor, so please don't take this as gospel, but try it for yourself. Try it on demo. We're currently on demo. I'm not going to fool anyone. We're on the Black Bull Markets demo account. I was trading live on Black Bull Markets, and it weren't going great, so we've gone back to re-strategize, and we're using this IB indicator, guys. So if you like the content, please like, subscribe, share, comment, and again, big shout out to Trader Drysdale for his initial balance indicator.